Very good, my friends. In today's video we are going to review the EMR06 and the EMR05. These two devices from NITECORE that are mosquito repellent. They work like the EMR10 that I reviewed in the summer and tested and working with these blue mats here that has a component that the mosquitoes doesn't like. You turn it on, wait 10 minutes and the mosquitoes will go away. It's not that there will be any mosquito, but it will reduce the number of mosquitoes a lot, and if it comes some mosquito, the mosquito will go because it's uncomfortable. I tested, it worked, it will work for these two. It works in the interior and the exterior. I tested on the exterior on barbecues with the family and there were no mosquitoes. The people was not complaining about the mosquito like normally they do. The main difference between the EMR6 and the EMR5 is that the EMR6, the one that you are seeing now, has an inbuilt battery. For the EMR5, on the other hand, we will need external power supply to power the device. The inbuilt battery on the 06 has a capacity of 1800 milliamps, which provides 3.5 hours of runtime. This device is very light, it only weighs 71 grams. It can be charged with a USB-C cable that came included with the kit. One of the frequent questions is, can be used while it is charging? And yes, you can use the 06 while it's charging. The EMR5 with a 10,000 battery can last for 12 hours, but you can even plug it to the power grid with a USB-C adapter and use it for unlimited time. Each mat lasts for 6 hours. In order to replace the mat, first turn off the device and then insert the new one from one end and the old one will go out of the other end. Here I'm trying to do it with only one hand, which is quite difficult, but with two hands is no problem at all. To turn on the device, you just need to press 2 times the on button and hold the second time for a few seconds. And then you will see that the blue LED light will turn on. You leave it there for 10 minutes and after 10 minutes there should be no mosquitoes around. Now with the EMR5, we insert the mat and then to turn it on we hold the button and the blue LED will turn on. That means that it's working. This is much more compact. To heat up the mat uses the FCB system. It has a water protection of IPX5. As a power input uses the USB-C port. It's compatible with the Molle system, so you will be able to connect it very easily to a bag that has this system. You can put the adapter on the back. With the NITECORE 10,000 milliamps power bank, it should last for almost all day, 12 hours of autonomy, ready for my camping day. The charging time for the EMR06 is 2 hours and you can use it while charging. These devices are very useful in a lot of situations, like when you are going to do some hiking or camping on the mountains in the stereo. If you are just chilling or relaxing outside or in a barbecue with your friends. While you are going on a long trip on the car. Or just while you are working outside. Or playing video games in the insides. You can use the included lanyard to attach it to your hand, and then it will never get lost or fall to the floor. I think the product has improved a lot from the EMR10 to the EMR6 or 5. They are much more smaller compared the sizes, and the EMR05 even more smaller and cheaper. You can get it for a fraction of the price. I really recommend this product because it works. I tested already and the people around me noticed that it was working. So you want to see the video about the EMR10, you can take a look here in the card. I really recommend you to click on the link below to see the Kickstarter page. I hope this video has been useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.